So in here, using a three queries that use joins to get data from my partner database, where the query is usable in practice. My database, Marjorie_room, create query tool, insert a three join queries, select, run. So this query retrieves the total number of check-in and check-out records handled by each staff member. Next. Run. This query can be used to match hotel rooms to the hotel's capacity on a specific floor. It provides details about the rooms and their associated hotel if the number of floors where the rooms are located does not exceed the hotel's capacity. This query might be used by hotel management or a room allocation system to ensure rooms are properly assigned within the physical constraint of the hotel. The last one, execute, run. So this query retrieves all active bookings and checks if they have a corresponding check-in record. And that's all.